Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe channel. Is your Vizio TV showing the message, SmartCast is currently unavailable? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll guide you through simple and proven solutions to fix this issue and get your SmartCast working again in just a few minutes. So let's get started. Step 1. Restart your TV and router. The first and most effective fix is a full restart of both your TV and Wi-Fi router. Unplug your Vizio TV from the power outlet and also unplug your router. Wait for at least 60 seconds before plugging them back in. Once both devices power up, let them reconnect automatically. This refreshes your network connection and clears temporary system bugs that often cause SmartCast to go offline. Step 2. Check internet connection. Next, make sure your Vizio TV is actually connected to a working internet connection because SmartCast heavily depends on Wi-Fi stability. Press the menu button on your remote and navigate to Network Test Connection. If you see a weak or failed signal, it means your TV isn't getting enough bandwidth to load SmartCast content. Try restarting your router once again, or connect the TV using an Ethernet cable if possible for a stronger link. Also, check if other devices on the same network are working fine. This helps confirm whether the issue is with your TV or your internet provider. Remember, SmartCast needs an active, fast, and consistent network to sync streaming services properly. Step 3. Perform a soft power cycle. If the SmartCast issue still appears, performing a soft power cycle can help clear background errors. On your remote, go to Menu System Reset and Admin Soft Power Cycle. Once selected, your TV will turn off automatically and restart within a few seconds. This step is different from unplugging. It refreshes your TV's internal memory and reloads the SmartCast software without deleting any apps or personal settings. After the restart, give your TV about 30 seconds to reconnect to Wi-Fi and initialize the SmartCast home screen. Many users report that this simple power cycle immediately brings SmartCast back online, as it clears hidden cache and minor operating glitches. Step 4. Check for firmware updates. Sometimes, SmartCast stops responding because of outdated firmware. Vizio regularly releases software updates that fix bugs, improve performance, and enhance compatibility with apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu. To check for updates, open Menu System Check for Updates. If your TV finds a new version, select Install Now and wait until the update completes. Do not unplug or power off during this process. The TV will restart once it's done. After restarting, try loading SmartCast again. The system should now run smoother and more stable. Keeping your firmware updated ensures your TV stays compatible with the latest SmartCast servers and Wi-Fi protocols. Step 5. Factory Reset. If you've tried all the steps and SmartCast is still unavailable, a factory reset is the final solution. This will erase any corrupted settings or outdated system files that may be blocking SmartCast. Navigate to Menu System Reset and Admin Reset TV to Factory Defaults. You may need to enter a PIN. The default is usually 0000. Confirm the reset and wait for your TV to restart. This can take a few minutes. After setup, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and sign in to your SmartCast account. Once done, the system should work flawlessly again, just like a brand new TV. A clean reset often eliminates any hidden software conflicts or misconfigurations that normal restarts can't fix. And that's it. One of these steps should definitely fix your SmartCast issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.